Okay, so I'm turning the hand wheel until the feed dogs are in their highest position, which is usually when the needle is also in the highest position. Now you take this little guy and orient him like this. This little point right here needs to press against this little metal rectangle right here. So there you go. You slide this part right there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this. That little back part slides in under the bracket. Wiggle it a little bit. Make sure that that triangle right there is pressing against this metal spring right here. It should wiggle a little. It needs to have a teeny bit of play, but the disc should be fully seated in this outer ring. So it should be flat, but there should be a little play. This plastic triangle right here needs to push against that metal spring. I'll do it one more time. You, again, make sure your feed dogs are up all the way. This flat part at the back of the disc goes underneath this bracket here, just like that. And this triangular plastic nub here pushes against this little rectangular metal spring. Check it, it needs to have a little play, but it should be sitting flush inside the outer disc. If you're not sure, turn it a little. If it pops out when you turn it, it means it's not seated right, and try it again. But if it's seated right, it'll sit flat like this when you turn the hand wheel and make the disc rotate.